Here's Noah's first bowling trip. He's going to be 19 months old tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2009.
Noah, watch it go. Go like this.
It's still going.
Go. Say go. Tell the mom to go.
Say go. Good job. No.
Wait a minute. Watch the ball. Look at his face.
Go, Noah, do more. Do more. Oh, you want Daddy to do it? All right, have Daddy do it.
Okay.
Just keep him back there. Woo!
What do you want to do it this time, Noah?
All right. There goes Daddy. Woo!
Here, Noah.
Noah, you are a very good bowler.
Go try
Here you
again.
go. Noah's last one.
Daddy did it. It's your turn.
It's Noah's turn.
Noah's turn.
Noah, you do it. All right.
Let me get down.